Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix phone call problem issues on headphones. When you just pick up there is no option to pick up calls during headphones. How you can pick up? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to turn on your Zebronics headphones, you can see, and then you have to long press your Bluetooth, and here it is setting. First you have to connect this headphone to your Poco smartphone. Then friends, you have to click on pair new device, and here you have to just click on it, and here it is ZapDude. You have to just click on it to pair this. Click on pair and it is paired successfully, and just click on setting. And friends, here it is phone calls. You can see that if it is not enabled, just enable it, and now you can pick up your phone calls easily while using headphones. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.